What's up, guys? Today we're playing some more Happy Wheels for Best Gaming Land, so let's get to it. That's from DC Metro Station. Okay. Oh my god, I guess something happened to her. The Paulus Circle Station. Let's get down there. Hope Station. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's get down there. Come on. Oh, what you got? What you got on me? Drink orange juice, kids. Good for you. There must be some kid watching this. You guys, please go subscribe if you want more videos. You guys not subscribing that much, so doesn't seem like you guys want me to make videos. But stop making videos for probably a long time. And did I just die? I'm guessing I just died. I didn't die. Am I supposed to get off? Because it seems like I'm just dying and dying and dying. And get out! Thank God. Drink orange juice, kids. That wasn't long. A ghost train. Oh shoot! Come on, get on! Oh no! Am I alive? I'm alive. Oh shit! I'm gonna die. Did I die? Shoot! It's disconnecting. No, I think I'm dead, but shoot! I'm dead. I'm dead. Did I die? I think I died. Oh shoot! Oh come on! Heck, I've did that. Okay, the best spot I think I can get is here. Unless I somehow die. Oh my god, this is like a dead train. A dead train. Oh no, please son. Oh shoot, I'm still alive. No, I'm gonna survive this. This man, no. I survive. I'm gonna survive. Somehow I'm gonna survive. Am I even alive? Come on. Oh, come on. Just real nice. I don't know how I died. I know I'm dying. Did I die? I think I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I can tell I'm dead. That guy's dead. Okay. They say I'm alive. I'm checking now. Oh no, I'm not alive, am I? Am I stuck? Oh. Am I alive? I have no idea if I'm alive. I think I'm... Oh, come on! Come on. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh shoot. Try not to leave. Try to survive. Okay, I'm gonna survive this, but I'm getting shot at a lot. Okay, I'm dead. I can tell I'm dead. I'm dead. Whoops. I have to log in to rate some levels, but... Oh, I know a perfect spot, but hopefully I can survive here for a little bit. Oh man, can you survive the ghost train or dead train? But you can, just have to wait. We try to be sexy and put your butt up. Not gonna work out for me, dude. Not gonna work out. Just lay it off. Oh, come on! I died. Oh, I crushed my son and then left. I think this might be a little bit easier now. Okay. We should just be a guy just with his dad. I think that might be good, but they have to add new characters in this game. Oh, come on. That's it. I'm gone. Strings. It's okay. I choose you. Okay, let's go. Hi. Yes. Okay. Come on, Mommy, let's go. Oh, shoot. Mommy, I'm bored. I want to go home. I'll go cut up in my bag. Wait. Oh, come on. Really fun, real funny. Come on, Mommy, let's go. I know we died once, but we can still go on. Come on, Mommy. Okay. Okay, we're going. Okay, we're going, daughter. We're going. Don't worry. We'll be here soon. Oh, no, sorry. Daughter. You can't leave. Oh, come on. I can still survive there. Come on, Mommy. We just died from that horrible man. Are we ever going to make it out of here alive? Maybe. We might. Come on, let's go faster, faster, Mama. I can't go any faster. I don't care if you die. Let me go. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm dead again. Oh, come on. Okay, we're gonna go this time. Oh, the baby. Oh, shoot, baby. Oh, shoot. Big dead. Oh, come on. Okay, I still have a daughter. Other one. Ah. Eject. Okay, Mommy, let's go. Come on, we can do this. Okay, let's go. Wait. Okay, I waited. Okay, I'm going. Only one piece. Oh, is this good? Oh, we're out. Life and death. Yes, you finally beat the level, guys. Bigfoot Forest. Let's be Santa. Is that a glitch? Oh, we're supposed to look for Bigfoot. Come on, let's go. We're gonna look for Bigfoot. Fine, I don't need you guys. I'll just take one of you guys' heads and leave. Let's go. Go faster. Sinister! Oh, come on. You guys stink. It just stinks at this level, but I think I might beat it. If I'm lucky. Ho, ho, ho. Let's go find Bigfoot. Okay, I'm going. Oh, shoot. Calm down, Bigfoot. Guy's not even fast. Okay. Oh, come on. Give me up. Okay. Change characters. Let's beat this guy. Guys. No. Why? Don't do this on me, game. Okay. Get all the way down there. Okay, become this guy. Okay, come here, Bigfoot. Come on. What you got? Oh, come on. Fine. Okay, we're off. We're off into the event. Oh, flip. What you got on me, Santa? What you got? Oh, what you got? Oh, come on. Okay, so let's go as fast as we can. Well, you're an illusion. Your life's a fail. Oh, shoot. Am I still alive? Oh, come on. You seem lost. Come on, I can give you a ride. Okay, come on. We can do this. Let's just go ahead of him. Choose one high level and go, go, go. I couldn't have that idea. It seems like, come on, I can give you a ride. Yes. I know you can cheat like that. Haunted Mansion 3. Just waiting for a level to load. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot. Oh, I didn't read it. Come back there later. Okay. God, I just got some lag. No! Oh, shoot. Come on, move, move. I'm getting so much lag right now. Move. Okay, I go on top of you. Oh, please say. Deepest minds. Okay, I'm so lost. Okay. So where are we now? So much lag. Jump. Oh, shoot. Yeah, jump while I have lag. Okay, bring me up. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm so lost. Oh my god. This is not cool. I'm dead. Well, I'm not dead. Shoot, there's so much lag on. I can't play this level. Okay, Limbo. I know the game Limbo. Yep. This is Limbo. Hi. Oh, shoot. You can't beat this level on your first try, can you? If I am, I must be the master. Move, move. Seems like I'm the master. Oh, shoot. I'm the master of this game. Can anybody beat me? Can anybody? Oh, shoot. I beat my first try. Oh, my God. I feel like a boss. Happy green wheels. How many more levels? Oh, I guess it goes up to take it. Oh, my God. Happy green wheels. Be you. Oh, yay. Oh, come on. This guy sucks. Okay, speed Segway guy. Okay, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, just wait here. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, get up there. Guys, I probably uploaded the video's uploading right now, but I believe you checking Minecraft Deadlock The Journey Begins is gonna be uploading next right after this video. Oh, come on. Where does this go? Oh, I die. I'm gonna say I die. I'm still alive. Oh my god. They have checkpoints in this game. I'm sick. That's why I'm not doing it again. Gotta bust this extreme. Please be you. Oh. Oh my god, move! Oh my god, I'm kind of sorry guys if I'm getting mad right now. I'm just not in the mood today. Okay. Son, come on. Okay. Okay, let's go. We're okay. Let's go. Come on, son. We can do it. We can do anything. Come on. We're gonna survive this, son. Oh my God, son. Son. Oh my God, I believe in you. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. My God, son. No, son. No. Please, son. You're still... I love you, son. If you die, I love you still. My God. Am I controlling this? Is this supposed to happen? Okay, I guess this is... Oh, come. No, I'm not getting crushed. I'm not getting crushed. Yes. Okay, down all the way down here, laboratory 1. Okay, we can use the public sky and freezing goes. Okay, no, we can't. We can't use the sky. Let's use the extreme guy, the fast guy. I can just. Oh, shoot! It's not good. Nice. Not good. Not good. Not good. Oh, come on. Go. Come on. The head just pops off. I think it might be better for like the bike guy, but. Okay, I'm not moving at all, am I? Oh, shoot. How did I go that fast? I'm still alive somehow. How did I jump over all those mines? Oh, come on. Okay, I'm not using this guy. Let's use Irresponsible Dad. Come on, son, let's go. Let's go have an adventure. And I forgot how to eject this guy. Oh, come. We're supposed to jump? Come on, get over. Oh, you can't. Oh, come on. Come on, slow down, slowly, fast. Come on, go eject. Come on. Okay, fine. This is my last try, and that's gonna be Santa Claus. I know I'm not gonna do it, but I can at least jump over this. Okay. Oh, you're very funny. Very funny. I'm gonna have like one more level. Gorilla's Revolution. No, I'm not. Oh my God, I forgot. I should create a. I'm not being this guy. Okay. I should create the Gorilla Paradise. Where am I? Oh wow, that's pretty cool. I don't care about this. Really? Okay, let's just choose this guy. I should create a Gorilla Paradise. Okay, TGF Airport. What? Say what, honey? Whatever. Departures. Delayed. Emergency. Oh, what? My tires. I'm still alive. Okay. It was another Gordon. They have. Oh my God. You see in the corner while you whine, sob, while I go actually get the thing. Emergency. No, please, yes. Sky, help me! I don't care. I actually saved him. Oh, hi. Burning the pyro get. Oh my God! Okay. don't care. Okay, you go break your leg. And break my son. Go, go, go. Let's escape. I don't care about that, you guys. Help me. Die. Okay. Now over here, run. Out the window. Oh, come on. It's been a 20-minute video. Oh my god. I want to beat this level, but it's going to take forever. Come on, emergency. I don't care about emergency. Oh, come on. See if you're up here, guys. I'm giving up too fast, but it's so hard and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. As always, rate, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I can play again soon without raging. And see you guys next time.